Live program in Tlangpui Turin.
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest, the Honorable Governor of Mizoram, General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh, PVSM, AVSM, YSM retired, has arrived and will now unfurl the national flag. As he unfurls the national flag, we are all requested to rise up from our seats.
गणतंत्र दिवस परेड, राष्ट्रीय सलूट, सलामी शश। गणतंत्र दिवस परेड पर 6 आर्म कंटिंजेंट, 6 अनआर्म कंटिंजेंट, 12 स्कूल कंटिंजेंट, 3 बैंड प्लाटून आपका निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
The Honorable Governor will now inspect the parade contingents. He is accompanied by DGP Shri Sharad Agarwal and Parade Commander. Kan Governor Zone takin parade contingent and Digdona DGP Sharad Agarwal voin ceremonial parade kan parade commander ten antroyom dona ni. Pagdayin kan kwalya ni lawlom mango.
Stop it lang na.
In this year's Republic Day Ceremonial Parade, we have 24 parade contingents and 3 band parties altogether. Among the parade contingents, we have 6 armed contingents, 6 unarmed contingents and 12 school contingents. And we are extremely honored to share that among the many participants in the ceremonial parade today, there are very 2 special people, proud retired soldiers, 82 years old Subedar Laltrana and 81 years old Honorary Captain Lalhuab Zawa. Parade Commander is Jessica Lalom Zwali, Deputy SP Legal. Second Commander is Alfred Larinsana, Deputy SP Crime. Lieutenant Sab Chonggon Soitong Khan, Kumin Republic Day Parade Hian, Parade Contingent Sompi Palile Bed Party Patumanoma, Parade Contingent Zinga Armed Contingent Paruk, Unarmed Contingent Parukle School Contingent Som Pati Kandaya, Voinagan Ceremonial Parade Hian, Me Special Deo Pati Kandaya Serviceman Contingent Atangin, Kum Samriat Padeupa Subedar Laltranale, Kum Samriat Pakadupa Honorary Captain Wapzawate Ni.
Parade Commander he Jessica Lalomswali, Deputy SP Legal Ania. Second Commander he Alfred Lawrence Hana, Deputy SP Crime Ani.
गणतंत्र दिवस परेड को मंच से गुजरने की आगे प्रदान करें श्रीमान।
Independence Day, Republic Day, Ipuitu, a parade contingent.
Praise Shashtalim Bagal Shash गणतंत्र दिवस परेड तीनों तीन कुछ कलम में मंच से गुजरेगा फैसला 20 कदम नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे परेड तीनों तीन में दाहिने चलेगा दाहिने मुड़
And shortly, the ceremonial parade by the parade contingents will begin. Begin the ceremonial parade. Let us all give the participants a loud round of applause, and as they reach the saluting dais, we request everyone to keep on clapping and cheering for them. As we said, in this year's Republic Day ceremonial parade, we have 24 parade contingents, 3 band parties, and among the parade contingents, 6 armed contingents, 6 unarmed contingents, and 12 school contingents. Parade commander is Jessica Lalomswali, DSP, and second commander is Alfred Lawrence Hana. Soito Khan, parade contingents of the Palila band party, Pathum Kannaya, Sung Sing Atwan, and contingent Parumanam contingent. Assam Rifles led by Naik Subedar Dev Singh Adhikari. शान से कदम मिलाते हुए सबसे आगे हैं 34 असम राइफल्स की टुकड़ी जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं नाइक सूबेदार देव सिंह अधिकारी। परेड पर शुरुआत हुई 34 असम राइफल्स इंडिया। Naik Subedar Dev Singh Adhikari. And following them is the contingent from the 225th Battalion led by Inspector Ashwini Kumar Paswan. तिरंगा को सलामी देने के लिए अगली टुकड़ी है 225 CRPF बटालियन नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। 225 CRPF बटालियन की टुकड़ी नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं इंस्पेक्टर अश्विनी कुमार पासवान। शान से तिरंगा को सलामी देते हुए Gunanam Potar Sebe movement the 225th CRPF Battalion India and Shoitui Ashwini Kumar Baswani and Nunga. In this year's Republic Day Parade, we are pleased to have with us a contingent from Nagaland. Please applaud the 12th Nagaland Armed Police India Reserve Battalion led by Subedar Inspector Y. Toshi. Command Republic Day Parade Ahian Nagaland Achamin Nagaland Police Then Lotela 12 Nagaland Armed Police India Reserve Battalion SI Y Toshi Kim Kai Choi Nandoya Namponzar Seben Book Megani. And behind them approaching the saluting base is the 1st Battalion of Mizoram Armed Police led by Sub Inspector Lansoy Liana. First Battalion Mizoram Armed Police 10 Nampuanzar Seben Book Mega and Shoitui Sub Inspector Lansoy Liana. And nung ranzoy to the 5th IR Battalion India Sub Inspector Rach Laleng Zawak kay Shoinain and Ron Kalme kani. Sahayak Battalion led by Sub-Inspector H. Lal in Zawa, now saluting the national tricolour. And behind them comes the contingent from the Mizoram Home Guards led by Sergeant Mingtan Sanga. Nampuan Zar Sibay Bupik Tehi Mizoram Home Guard Tennia and Shoy Tuhi Sergeant Mingtan Sanga. And behind them comes, making any Republic Day Parade grand, is the first of the band parties we have today, which is the 24 Assam Rifles Pipe Band led by Band Master Warrant Officer A.K. Rai. Band Master Warrant Officer A.K. Rai kay join naman band party na sa 24 Assam Rifles Pipe Band then Nampuan Zar sa gani. राष्ट्र ध्वज को सलामी दे रही है 34 असम राइफल्स की बैंड पार्टी, नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं वारंट ऑफिसर A.K. राय।
Leading the unarmed contingents is the ex-servicemen contingent. Led by Honorary Subedar Major Yanti Khana. Unarmed contingent for Shwaitohi, ex-servicemen contingent Ania, and Shwaitohi Honorary Subedar Major Yanmin Thanga Ani. And Zinga Hian, Kum Somriat Pahimi, Subedar Lal Chanale, Kum Somriat Pakhatmi, Honorary Captain Lal Kwabza Wate, Antila, Kum Sangha Zakwa Sumrupana. 20 Mizo Battalion NCC now approaching the saluting dais. Contingent commander is Under Officer Lalmal Soma. 20 Mizo Battalion NCC then Nampuan Zar Sibayan Bukmeka and Shoy Tuhi Under Officer Lalmal Soma. Ani. One Mizo Air Squadron NCC under Contingent Commander Cadet H. Somzeli now approaching the tricolour. One Mizo Air Squadron NCC then Nampuan Zar Sibayan Bukmeka and Shoy Tuhi Cadet H. Somzeli. Ani. Approaching the saluting dais is 1 Mizo Battalion NCC contingent. One Mizo Battalion NCC contingent led by Junior Under Officer Vandal Soy Moya. Tuna Nampuan Zar Sibay Bukmek Tehi 1 Mizo Battalion NCC contingent and Shoy Tuhi Junior Under Officer Vandal Soy Moya. Government San Mari Model Middle School Scouts and Guides contingent now approaching the national flag. Contingent commander is Christ Balian Thanga Class 8. St. Francis of Assisi School Scouts and Guides contingent. Led by Joseph Lalom of Class 7 approaching the tricolour. St. Francis of Assisi School Scouts and Guides then Nampuan Zar Sibayan Buka and Shoy Tuhi Post Sarizir Lai Joseph Lalom Omakani.
Leading the school contingent is the Government Mizo High School. The first of the school contingent saluting the national flag is the Government Mizo High School. Contingent leader is Lal Rosanga. Tuna Nampuan Zar Sibay Bukmek his school contingent Bashoy to Government Mizo High School ni. And hiyan St. Paul's High Secondary School ron Kalle Meka. Tuna Nampuan Zar Sibay Bukmek hi St. Paul's High Secondary School niya and Shoy Tuhi Paul Kazurlai Remrodikani. St. Paul's High Secondary School saluting the national flag. And behind them comes the Divine Intervention School contingent led by Lal Shwetram of Class 9 saluting the national flag. Divine International School then Nampuan Sabayan Boom Mega and Choi to Hila Shredder of Polka Line. And Numahian, 1st Battalion Imeti Brass Band, then local Mega and Choi to ESI Ramsan Zela. And uniform Molda and remote Mol Captain Nampuan Sabayan Boom Mega the hit 1st Battalion Imeti Brass Band in here with a beautiful visible instruments saluting the national flag is the 1st Battalion MSC Brass Band led by SI from Sanzela. And next, KD High School contingent 10 Nampuan Satsibay Bookmaker and Shwaituhi Gabriel Van Rosang Swala Paul Kozerlaini. 1st Battalion MAP English Medium School contingent led by HK Ramsanga saluting the national flag. 1st Battalion MAP English Medium School then Nampuan Zartiben Bumega and Chwaituhi Polkosirlai HK Ramsanga and Numahian Ephraim High Secondary School contingent then local Mega and contingent Idrila Lamsuala Polkosirlai. Saluting the national flag is the school contingent of Ephraim High Secondary School led by Lammuala of class 9. And coming up is the school contingent of the Central High School led by Woltan Moyaralti of class 10. Central High School contingent Zerlino Pokten Nampuanjar Sibay Bookmaker and Troy to Impulse from Zerlai Woltan Moyaralti.
Now marching towards Tricolor is CLS Academy under the command of their contingent leader Wallace Malswamkim of class 9. Nampuan Zartibay Bookmek the CLS Academy Andia and contingent commander Hipol Kozirlai Wallace Malswamkima Ani. Centenary School Dorpui Church is now saluting the tricolor. Contingent commander is Plus Shwaikim of class 8. Centenary School Dorpui Church then Nampuan Zartibayan Bookmaker and Shwaitu Hila Shwaikim of Paul Yatzirlai Ani. Now saluting the national flag is RL School. Contingent leader is Felina Aladusaki of class 9. Nampuan Zartibay Bookmek the RL School Ania and Shwaitu Hipol Kozirlai Felina Aladusaki Ani. Now approaching the saluting dais, Nazareth Higher Secondary School led by Paul Lalmanamo. Nampuan Zartibay Bookmek to the Nazareth Higher Secondary School Ania and Shwaitu Hipol Sompa Katzirlai Paul Lalman Oma Ani. Last among the school contingents is PES Republic being led by Laldo Matsangte of class 9 saluting the national tricolor. School contingents Dinga to Pirnatan, Nampuan Zartibay Bookmek the PES Republic being the Andia and Shwaitui Paul Kozirlai Laldo Matsangte Ani. Last but not the least, closing this year's Republic Day Parade is 3rd Battalion MAP Pipe Band led by Bandmaster Havildar V. Lal Lawmna, Republic Day Parade Part 2, 3rd Battalion MAP 5 Band 10 ng Bronze Article, Mega ang Shuaitui Bandmaster from Lidar Beatles Lawmna. And this year's Republic Day ceremonial parade, we have 24 parade contingents and 3 band parties. Parade contingents comprise of 6 armed contingents, 6 unarmed contingents, and 12 school contingents. The parade commander is DSP Jessica Domswal. Second commander is DSP Alfred Lovinsana.
Chief Guest YSM retired Thusoiturin ng Lawmna, and now the Honorable Governor of Mizoram, General Republic Day Address.
Of our 77th Republic Day, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. A constitution that pledges to secure justice, liberty and equality for every citizen. We also solemnly resolved to uphold the unity, legacy. It is appropriate to reflect on how these principles are being translated into action by our own state. That are shaping our state's journey. My government's flagship program, the Mizoram Banakai Handholding Scheme, has entered phase 2 of its implementation. Tangible gains. The State Election Commission district councils last year. In addition, the by-election to Dampa Assembly constituency was successfully conducted. The electoral voter participation and smooth functioning of democratic institutions. The general law and order situation, total of 217 criminal cases were registered and 338 persons were arrested in these illegal activities. 474 kilograms of contraband drugs. The Mizoram last year in October 2025, and on account of enforcement measures. This also reflects the government's firm resolve to end state. Recruitment of manpower for the state project implementation team forms through technology in public distribution system has been food, civil supplies and consumer affairs department, most transformative development for the state. On posts at Verangte and Kanamoon were established. Ministry of Ports, Shipping, and this will add to the development in that sector. 3 new district essential transport related activities closer to citizens. Last financial year, Mizoram recorded over 39.5% has continued. This financial year also with more than 25. Several major projects were initiated by the Tourism Department, including foundation stone laying of the PM Ekta or event tourism by supporting major festivals. These have generated visitor in a live museum showcasing Mizo traditional culture, identity and heritage. it has been widely appreciated by the public. My government places certification with prestigious platinum category. 30 new private cabin beds, 13 new ICU beds and 2 additional laboratory received National Excellence Award, Family Welfare Department in New Delhi. The Mizoram Universal Healthcare Scheme has been launched by the Health and Family Welfare Department, under which beneficiaries avail cashless treatment. All public hospitals onboarded in this scheme. A CT simulator has also been installed at Mizoram State Cancer 5 in December 2023 to 94 facilities by November. Has been a matter of deep concern and a key priority for my has been established through the initiatives of Social Welfare, Women and Child Development Department, providing need a pathway towards recovery, dignity and renewed hope. A digital platform for employment services has been launched by the latest to prepare the youth for emerging technologies. During the year, over 400 trainees completed ITI courses with the Mizoram Youth Commission continues to train young people 2025. Establishing functioning of Mizoram Engineering College at Tlangpui, Kailon, the Vidya Pravesh Avishkar Abhiyan, along with the provision of interactive flat established a new age technology skill lab at government comprehensive the PM Poshan program to support holistic learning as well as fully literate state on 20th May 25.
Financial assistance by the Ministry of Coal. Continental, regional, landslide, early warning. Over 91 kilometers of formation cutting, 203. Lammuala Airport is 99% complete. The power infrastructure projects completed by Power and Electricity and the Thanjol and 17 units of community USS solar pumping, and department completed 497 minor for floods. The Department of Land Resources, Soil and Water Conservation, Rubber Mission and Allied Scheme improved livelihoods across Development and Administration Department started a state and MOU was signed with Northeast Asia 1,791 groups in addition to the existing by my government, and reduce reuse urban poor under the comprehensive and adopted across 75 locations installed at our civil hospital in Aizawl. In addition,
fruit and established passion fruit processing unit at New Champhai. This has benefited passion fruit growers. The pineapple cultivation has also generated substantial income for our farmers through increased production. The area expansion scheme for anthurium cut flowers is being implemented in Aizawl district under production unit. The Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department has completed tendering process to establish a modern poultry layer farm with a capacity of 1 lakh hens. Under the Assistance to States for Control of Animal Disease scheme, compensation is provided to livestock owners for culled animals. A 15-ton cold storage facility was established under the SAS. Thanks to all the personnel serving under the state and the central governments. I also acknowledge the constructive role played by public representatives, religious bodies, NGOs and the civil society. I extend my congratulations to all.
नाम के लिए लाइन बंद.
Before we proceed with the distribution of awards and prizes, we would take this opportunity to announce that 4 of our esteemed police officers have been chosen to receive the prestigious police medals, the announcements of which were made yesterday on the eve of the Republic Day 2026. And now we shall begin the presentation of the awards. First, the Honorable Governor will hand over the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, which was announced on the occasion of Independence Day 2025 to Pu Lalringdika SP Narcotics. Pulal Ring Dikka, SP Narcotics, receiving the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service from the Honorable Governor. Police Medal for Meritorious Service, which were announced on the occasion of Independence Day 2025. From the Police Service, we have Pustefan Renoma, SP. President's Police Medal for Police Medal for Meritorious Service to Pu Zotan Sang, a TC Inspector. From the Fire Service, Pulal Danzira, Firefighter. Independence Day Khan, Police Medal for Meritorious Service he, From the Fire Service again, we have Pulal Mangay, Colony Firefighter. Police Achangin Mipatni, Fire Service Achangin Mipatni, Home Guard Achangin Mipatin, Police Medal he, and Donganikum Independence Day and Puanto Tenya. And from the Home Guard and Civil Defense, Puaral Patsuma, Company Sergeant Major. And the last recipient of Police Medal for Meritorious Service Independence Day 2025, Pulal Deng J, Company Sergeant Major.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now begin with the presentation of Governor's Gold and Silver Medals to 12 police personnel of Mizoram Police. May we request the Honorable Governor to kindly award the medals. To Natsuan Governor's Gold Medal Police Mi Pasari Le Governor's Silver Medal Police Mi Paranga Nena Hlan Anidona. We shall start with the Governor's Gold Medal. Governor's Gold Medal Hi Mi Pasari Nena Pek Anidon. Masaberin Sub Inspector C. Vanlal Rota, CID SB. Sub-Inspector Lalrinpui Patswao, Aizol DEF. Sub-Inspector T. Lalkhiang Lima, Tsampai DEF. Assistant Sub-Inspector Lalrin Heta, Sitewal DEF. F. Zomuan Kima, 1st Battalion MAP. Constable Zorama, 2nd IR Battalion. Constable Lil Swanlian at Sampai DEF. We shall continue with the Governor's Silver Medal. There are 5 awardees selected to receive this medal. First, we have Inspector Lucizo Sangzwali from the Security Unit. Inspector Lilrin Moy Koldi from the Security Unit. Sub-Inspector Zoe Sanga, Aizol DEF. Assistant Sub-Inspector H. Lalpe Klua, Saitwal DEF. Constable Joseph Elmar, CID SP. Now we request the Honorable Governor to kindly present the prizes for the Mizoram Cleanliness Competition 2026 organized by the UDNPA Department. Awardees may please step forward to receive their awards. Among the district headquarters, first prize goes to Siaha. Second prize among the district headquarters goes to Saitwal. Third prize goes to Kozol. Mizoram Cleanliness Competition 2026 for urban towns. First prize goes to Mopa. Second prize goes to Piatte. Third prize goes to Tlapung.
And after this, we shall have the distribution of prizes to the parade commanders and winners of this year's Republic Day ceremonial parade. Tuna Suan Parade Commander Tinhena Republic Day Parade contingent Titraswal Pathumte Nena Parade Commander Tinhena Kankwalian Hen Loman Landorani. First, let us call out Parade Commander DSP Jessica Lalomzwali to receive her prize. Second Commander DSP Alfred Larinthana may also step forward to receive his prize. Namidutahian contingent Pathum, Am contingent, Anam contingent, School contingent Loman Semlenga. And now we shall start with the winners of the Republic Day Parade. We shall start with the armed contingent. The first prize goes to 34 Assam Rifles contingent. The second prize goes to 1st Battalion MAP. And the third prize to 5th IR Battalion. And after this, we shall have the prize distribution for the Annam contingent. First prize goes to the ex-servicemen contingent. Annam contingent Zinga Pakatna. First prize the Tute, ex-servicemen contingent Tenni. Kanina din Munlua Tute to 20 Mizoram Battalion NCC. Annam contingent Zinga Pathum Natsu. Government San Mari Model Middle School Scout and Guide Tenni. Midatayan School Contingent Titraswal Pathum Tenhena Kankwalian in Loman Lanlenga. The first prize among the school contingent goes to St. Paul's High Secondary School. And the second prize goes to Government Mizo High School. Among the school contingent, the third prize winner is Presbyterian English School, Republic Vane. And now for the band parties. This is not according to merit. Band party te loman plenga ani so ti chaddan dot ako suan ni lo ti min lo shet saktonia 34 Assam Rifles pipe band के band master कृपा आगे आए participation prize लेने के लिए. kan Rilonan, 1st Battalion MAP Brass Band, kan Zuile Sela. So on the local Chungin, 3rd Battalion MAP Pipe Band, Bandmaster ka, Lawin Ring Lesela. Bandmaster of the 1st Battalion MAP Brass Band, receiving the participation prize. And for the last of the band parties, the 3rd Battalion MAP Pipe Band. And with this, we conclude the award ceremony. Award sim Chukanzoa. Hemin Huya National Anthem Rem Ani Dona, National Anthem Rem Line, Kansoy Tong Khan, may pwede kan Zavine, Ding Turin Kanin Ngayon niya. Let us all stand for the national anthem.
Gantantra Divas Parade! Rashtriya Salat! Salame Shastra! Shastatalim Bagal Shast Gantantra Divas Parade Nishkraman ke liye Dainabaye Amud Parade Dainabaye Seb Teshcha
Republic Day Sani Sophie Problem na Cholo Topta local form Zongzong Puchuma Lom Thu Ban Soilia Republic Day Chebei Kan Buknan Lecho Kan Lome. That is all for today's Republic Day celebration at Lammuala. Thank you everyone and have a good day.